I'm Stephane Galland. I'm mainly a drummer, and I was asked to be the curator for this year's Viewmaster Masterview. That's a gathering of all the academies in Antwerp. For that, I'm going to select a lot of different students from music, drama, and dance to create something exceptional. Yeah, this is perfect. So the theme for this year is Nature and Future. So that's a very big opportunity to exploit a lot of different aspects of music, drama, and dance. And we have 4 different spaces here. So that's going to be perfect to create very different atmospheres and themes. And yeah, looking forward to it. Don't miss it.